Porthcurno Beach is located in Cornwall, England, a precious gem in the romantic and floating land of the Atlantic Ocean. With smooth white sand beneath clear blue water, this beach attracts visitors from all over with its magical beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Porthcurno Beach is located in the southwest of Cornwall, the southwesternmost county of England. Located in the Atlantic Nature Reserve, Porthcurno lies at the meeting point between sun and sea, creating a unique and wonderful landscape. With the Highland Rocky Mountains behind and the wide open bay in front, Porthcurno Beach is not only a great destination for sightseeing but also an ideal place to relax and enjoy the fresh sea air. With a mild and gently changing climate, Porthcurno Beach, Cornwall, England, creates ideal conditions for tourism throughout the year. With warm summers and cool winters, visitors can enjoy vacation days spread throughout the seasons. Porthcurno is also home to a diverse tourist community, from nature lovers to those seeking peace on the coast. The integration between tourists and the local community creates a warm and close tourism space, where everyone can share memorable experiences and memories. Porthcurno Beach in Cornwall, England, is not only famous for its natural beauty but also as a rare habitat for animals and especially coral reefs. The waters around Porthcurno are also home to many other marine animals such as fish, shrimp, oysters, and many other types of marine animals. This is a precious habitat and needs to be protected and maintained, keeping the biodiversity of the sea always growing and thriving. Images of hot girls on Porthcurno Beach, Cornwall, England, are not only part of the natural beauty but also part of the entertainment and recreation space here. In bright bikinis and cool clothes, young girls with friendly smiles and radiant looks create a vibrant and attractive picture on the beach. Porthcurno Beach, Cornwall, England, has had a significant impact on Britain's tourism industry. With its amazing natural beauty and calm atmosphere, this beach has attracted a large number of visitors from both domestic and international. In addition, the development of tourism also contributes to promoting Cornwall and England in general on the world tourism map. Porthcurno, along with other tourist destinations in Cornwall, has become an attractive destination for international visitors, helping the UK attract large numbers of tourists and enhancing the international image of its tourism sector. Surname. Join us to explore the world through a new and rich perspective with our Wandering channel. Here, you will experience colorful and exciting journeys, from distant lands to nearby destinations, through emotional stories and wonderful images. Subscribe to our channel to not miss any new videos. Share and join the journey to explore the world with us.